Today, I'm going to show you a quick and efficient way to create a toolpath strategy for the deviled egg platter using Easel Pro. This method is the fastest way I know of to get your product from the machine using the Easel platform, at least until potential software updates change things. But let's dive in. I won't go into the nitty-gritty details of creating an Easel account or using the platform. This tutorial is solely about manipulating the files you've purchased. Start by creating a new project with two workspaces, one for the SVG profile vector and another for the 3D STL file. In the first tab, upload the SVG file. Make sure to set your material the same for both workspaces since you won't be moving it around between toolpath operations. Import the included outline SVG file and rotate it 90 degrees to fit the stock material. Set the cut path to the outside and go full depth of your material cut. I've added 3 tabs for easy cleanup later. Select the bottom left anchor point, set X at 1 inch and Y at 1 inch, again using this bottom left anchor point for reference for this project. The center hole can either be a pocket operation or use an inside path option. Now, let's move on to the second workspace. Import the STL file named Egg Grid for Platter, included in the zipped folder of your purchase. It should be sized correctly, but if not, copy the size information from the screen. Position it within the stock material by adding 0.51 to X and 0.415 to Y. This should read X 1.51 inches, Y 1.415 inches. I've set the model at Z 0.167 inches. Visually, you'll see the model is at the top of the material stock shown here by a green boundary box. The model is 0.585 inches thick, so placing it at 0.167 gives us an overall thickness of 0.752. This is the same as our stock material thickness, with a slight lift of 0.002 to reduce bit travel created by the model lip. Set the cut style settings as shown. We want to set the cut depth equal to the model thickness, not the material thickness. In this configuration, select either X-axis or Y-axis finishing for the quickest toolpath. Now, let's calculate the toolpaths and get our time estimate. I've set my feeds and speeds at a comfortable level, but you should adjust based on your bit selection, material, and machine specifics. Never run a toolpath without thoroughly reviewing it yourself. Begin by running both your rough and finishing toolpaths, following the procedures associated with your CNC machine. Then, without moving the stock material on your CNC bed, run the first workpiece which will cut the platter from the material. Thanks for your purchase and support. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy crafting and selling!